Good evening and welcome to Sundays with Neelu. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you so much for all your story responses on last week's story. My prayers and best wishes to everyone. Coming to this week's story's title is Empathy. Yeah, it is a story of empathy. So once there was a little boy named John, and John was sitting in the class and he was listening to the teacher, and suddenly he realized that he wet his pants. So when he noticed that his pants were wet, John was very embarrassed. And as he was embarrassed, he started looking here and there. And first thing he saw was, did anyone see him? No one saw him. No one noticed. He was alone in the bench sitting. And then he was very worried. He didn't want to get up and walk out from there because the moment he gets up, everyone will come to know that he had wet his pants. So with this, he was sitting, feeling very embarrassed, and he started praying, very hard. He started praying that, oh, no one should notice me. God, please help me. I just don't want to walk out like this. What can I do? What can I do? So while he was praying like this, just then Susie, his classmate, came there with a bowl of goldfish. And at the same time, the teacher was walking towards John. And teacher was walking at a very, she was walking fast, at a fast pace. And then as she was approaching John, John froze almost. He squeezed and he was holding himself, covering himself, and sitting there. And Susie just dashed the teacher, went there and spilled all the water with that fish in a glass bowl. She had a goldfish in a glass bowl and she spilled all the water straight on John. So the water fell on him completely and it had wet him completely. So everyone in the class got up and they ran up to John and they started feeling sorry for him, and they were very annoyed with Susie. Teacher scolded Susie and she said, "You get out of the class. How could you do this? What was the hurry? Why were you walking with with a pot of water here with the goldfish?" And then, Susie was sent out of the class. And at that moment, John folded both his hands and he thanked Susie. He said, had Susie not spilled the water, he wouldn't have got up from there because everyone would have come to know that he had wet his pants. So, but his whole pant was wet, so he could get up, and what seemed to be an insult, an embarrassing moment, turned out to be a sympathetic moment where everyone was sorry for him. Everyone came and sympathized with John, and they said, "Oh, we feel so sorry." And the teacher immediately said, "John, come on, get up, I'll take you to the gym." She gave him gym shorts, and then he wore those, and he felt very relieved. And when the school got over and everyone started walking out, he walked along with Susie. He ran up to her and he walked along with her, and he looked at her and asked her, "Did you do it on purpose?" And Susie smiled and said, "Even I wet my pants once." So there ends the story. So many times we know that, when we really need help, sometimes help arrives at the right time, and it very rarely happens that that people help you. Yeah. So this is a story of empathy. Very few people understand, and that little girl at that age understood what was empathy. Okay. And especially when we receive help at a time when we need it, we feel very grateful, and that is what is called gratitude. So John had immense gratitude for Susie, and Susie and John left the school happily. So we are basically here in this place to help each other, not to point fingers at each other, not to say that you are this, you are that, I am this. No, not at all. Many a times we misunderstand. If someone, asks us something, or teacher asks us something, or we appear for an interview, we are always worried of being judged. But no one is judging us. There are most of the people want to help us, but we expect judgment and we receive judgment. Okay, coming while reading this story, I remembered something from my school. So once when I was in the school, I didn't do my math homework and I was sitting there. And I remember the teacher walking to each and every student and strictly asking. So I didn't do my homework for some reason. I got delayed. I don't know what. I forgot the book, I think. And I was sitting So I think I was sitting in the last bench almost, and when I was sitting there, like I didn't realize. I think I forgot my book, and it was math homework. And while I was like looking here and there, and the teacher went up to each and every student, and she was asking for the homework, and that sort of put me in a very awkward position. And those days, we used to cross our fingers. If we would get scared, we would just cross our fingers like this. Teacher should not come here, teacher should not come here, teacher should not come here. This is how I used to do it, and all my friends, we used to cross our fingers like this, and we used to keep, and somehow we believed that the problem would go away. So I was crossing my fingers so hard that my fingers would break. So while I was doing this, suddenly there was another teacher who came from the next class. See, normally students feel very relieved when the teacher from next door comes and starts chatting with your teacher. That means, you're relieved. They get into another conversation. So that teacher knocked the door and she said that, uh, can you please send someone to mind my class, because I'm going out for 10 minutes and I need someone to go there. She just looked at me and she said, Nilima will come and mind your class. She'll take care of your class. So I was sent to the other class, and I skipped that moment where I had to submit my homework. So sometimes we receive timely help when we don't even realize that help is coming our way. So many times it's good to expect help, but it's always like it's not necessary that we feel embarrassed about everything. If we have made a mistake, it's better to accept it rather than feeling embarrassed. But that moment is such that all of us want to skip it. So, how did you like this story? What you feel about it? I feel that empathy is a very, very important aspect of human behavior, where when we understand each other, half the misunderstandings are gone. The problems arise when we don't understand each other. So, thank you so much for your patience. I will see you next Sunday, only on Sundays with Neelu. Leave your responses in the comment section. I will respond to all the comments that are related to the story. Thank you. See you again with another new story. Bye.